Huh?
Ain't that LeBron James?
Right here. Today we are going to change out the oil pan.
I need help.
She ain't want no more chicken.
Huh?
Ain't that LeBron James?
Right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. I guess that's Lebanon, James. Watch out. Watch out. Say, what's up? What's up? What's up? Tell TNT Garage. What's up, man? TNT gang. Tell them all. Why that boy. What's up, man? That boy Taj has been MIA for a long time, y'all. But today we got another video. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing, man. But what's up, guys? It is your boy Tony B, and we are back again with another video. And we got a whole bunch of chaos going on. But today we are going to change out the oil pan on the Z's engine. As y'all can see, we just got a lot of crap to go on. And what you gonna say, Taj?
I would help you, but I don't know how to do all that stuff.
Man, you know I can teach you, man. That's the best way to learn, man.
Okay.
You see your boy, he got that fro. Darn, look at you. What are you trying to be the big baby for, huh? Huh? Why are you trying to be the big baby?
No, they were.
Are you trying to be a big baby?
A big boy.
Oh my gosh, y'all. All right, y'all. We're going to get ready, get going. I ain't going to talk much. We got to get these videos out, y'all. Stay tuned.
I beg your pardon.
First thing we're going to do is teach you how to take off a bolt, okay? You ready? You got to get off that for you to learn how to take off a bolt. So what we're going to do, we're taking off this whole oil pan. This whole big black thing. So what I need you to do is take this one bolt off and make sure the socket is on there.
Yeah, but
All you do is just press the trigger.
oh.
Left and right. Make sure it's on there before you hit the trigger, or you might strip it. You're stripping it.
Come on now, dog.
You didn't put it on there. Right. No, you gotta make sure it's on here before you can. Hold on. Yeah. See this on there? Yeah. No, guys. No, not full. Not
Police!
Lord. When you're doing it, you don't have to go full blast, okay?
I didn't go for it.
You did full, Todd. So you didn't have that full blast like that. Yes, you did. Come on, man. So when you're doing it, look. All you're supposed to do is go like this, and it's off. That's it. And then you just slowly bring it out.
Oh.
That's all you need to do. So we're doing this side. Go on this side. We're doing it from the middle, and then we're going all the way around like this. You need to have some shoes on. No, this one right here. Make sure it's on there. Is it on there? You gotta take your hand out. Yeah, there you go. That's it. And is it on there? Is it loose? Do it slowly. Put it on there and do it slowly. Coming out? Yep.
Yes, sir.
I'm taking off the oil filter housing. As y'all can see, got to get this bracket off to get the pan off. It's always so much stuff to take off.
Hey, really doing like that.
Scoot back, scoot back, scoot back, scoot back. This is dangerous. You can't be right here, okay?
You beat that.
All right, I hear you, but this is dangerous.
The pizza.
It's dangerous.
No, it's the pizza. Yeah. You don't want to ask well. You're going once. Oh, what's? It's pizza.
All right, we got Taji boy on the ones and twos. Let's see what he got going on. Oh, he know what he doing, boy. Getting your hands all dirty and grimy, huh? There you go. Right here. I'll put it right here. Teach them why they young, boy. There you go. Just don't drop them in none of them holes. All right. Now, hold on. Let's leave that one. Just do a couple on this side, on this end. But we in tight quarters here, y'all.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. Yeah, there you go. All right. But they got RTV everywhere. So hit these over here. Yeah, there you go. Good shot. All right. And then we have, looks like one back here and then one over there. So you can try to get both of those. Yeah, get on that. There you go. All right. Yeah. All right. Ooh, and I think that is it for the bolts. Now, we got to crack her open.
Hey, yo!
Now, it is time. It is time to remove the wet, dirty one. The heck was that noise? Sound like something fast.
Ain't no boy, what the
Bro, I hope that was no dang, no metal. Alright. So we can take a closer look. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, it probably was this. It's probably the, I hope that was it. 'Cause I heard some type of metal. Don't look at that. Got RTV everywhere. Oh shoot! Come here, Charles. Look at this.
I can just zoom in.
You can see it.
I could just zoom in.
What the heck is that? Look at this. What was that? Some RTV? Bruh. That kind of feels hard. I don't know if that's any kind of, it don't feel like metal. It just feel like debris. Thank goodness that screen caught it, boy. Ooh-wee. Would have been in some trouble. Well, now that we have the block clean, didn't show y'all all that. I'm not gonna show you me doing the stupid oil pan either. What I end up doing, I get a little Dremel tool to get all the little spots on the block that I want to get clean. Looks like the rear main seal, this thing was changed. It looked like the oil pump, it was changed also. I just don't know why it was leaking so bad. I'm gonna try to see if I can, you know, do my best to stop it from leaking. But it looks like that's where it was coming from that pan. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. And then we'll just go from there, y'all. Stay tuned. I know this is not what everybody wants to see, but y'all got to go through the process just like I got to go through the process. Sit back, relax, and don't complain.
Y'all, don't worry about what people say about you.
Getting to work, y'all. This side, I've been here with this Dremel. That side over there, I got to knock that out. And then hit it with some isopropyl, some alcohol, and then we can seal it back up and put it back on the block. Come up a little closer,
I zoomed it in.
We will see if it start leaking everywhere. But we're gonna let it sit for a little while. Let it cure. You know what I'm saying? Let it cure, and then we'll put it on the engine, and then we'll, just hand tighten it, and then we'll continue to tighten it.
Psych!
Like I was saying, pretty much on here, it's saying just put it on the edges, I guess. But I know when I took it off, it was on here too. So I just did that, and I also put it, on those surfaces. I put a lot there, but pretty much, just trying to make sure it's sealed. You feel me? You feel me? So we're gonna let this sit up and then put it back on to cut y'all back on. Might have put a little bit too much. Right? What can I say? Let me ask y'all something. Have you guys ever stripped a bolt or broken off a bolt? I mean, if you work on cars, I know you guys definitely have broken off a bolt, which, I mean, if you haven't, I don't want to wish it on you, but yeah, it's just not fun. Funny story, I was working on a lady's car that went to church with me, and she was having bad times with mechanics, and I was like, I might can see what I can do for you, even though I'm not a mechanic. I might can help you get back on the road. Boy, she needed a water pump, and I broke off a bolt in the head, and I was so scared, bro. Man, you talking about some, and then I didn't have the money to fix it. Neither. I was just trying to help somebody out. Yeah, see, look like I put maybe a little smidget too much RTV. But the moral of the story, long story short, I had to drill and helicoil for my first time into a head. I mean, helicoil my first time, period. So you talking about somebody scared, boy. It's by the grace of the Lord that I was able to do it. She ain't have no issues out of that thing, man. You know, see, that's the part I think. You know, a lot of times I be, you know, not believing in my own work. You know? Just trying to make sure all of them got a little bit of juice on it. Then I torque them down.
Dad.
But
I just want to do my TV.
all right, y'all, that's all we have time for today. We end up getting some progress, man, something done. Not just saying that it's the most enthusiasm.
Come on, man.
Not saying that it's the most extravagant thing. I don't know. I'm just trying to use big words I don't even know. But yeah, we got something done. Got the oil pan on there. Hopefully it's sealed. Hopefully I don't have any other issues. That's one of the main issues that I had. It was just puking oil. Also, it was just burning. It's burning oil also a lot. And I saw that the EGR valve wasn't working. So hopefully that is the issue. If not, we're just gonna keep burning oil till we burn the engine up, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you're not new, hit that like button. Make sure that notification bell is on so you don't miss none of the heat that we be bringing y'all. Thank you for watching. I love y'all. Peace.